began to learn and grow, or the night and the light began to progress. Unaware of what was going on, the other 14 and 13 new gods of the source began to develop their own creatures, developing each one specifically for the realms that it was divided upon. Each creature had developed its own energy enough to develop realms. Within each realm were to be the housing and shelter of these new creatures that these new gods were created. Some bore horrible creatures that look like disgusting, evil demons. Others look like beasts. Others look like deformed monsters with no recognition. Some had figures of animalistic characters, such as wolves, ravens, and other type of sea creatures. Out of all these malevolent and benevolent gods, one stood out the most. The one that became the two that became one, created one that was so unique of its own image that was referred to as angels. Within this, some of the malevolent beings grew jealous and sought to out-create this 13th god, the cube that became one, that was more powerful than all the other rest of the new gods that were born from the source. Within this jealousy, they found the 14th mistake god that was sent away by the 13th god. And within this, saw its ambition and told its sake of a better creator that out-created its creation. Jealous with envy, the mistake saw what its counterpart had created and wanted to create one of its own, but with its ignorance and unaware of its knowledge and power, it unmistakably created a lot of deformed creatures. But out of these deformed creatures, it created human beings. And out of these human beings, it created angels. And out of these angels, it created demons. And out of these demons, it created devils.